Hello YouTube. It is Bazooka. How to eat pumpkin seeds to get rid of cholesterol, triglycerides, parasites, diabetes, constipation, and not only. The medicinal use of pumpkin seeds is common in many peoples, as in China, their ancient medicine is one of the wisest and most effective. Pumpkin seeds contain 44% to 50% of the oil fraction, rich fatty acids are mono and polyunsaturated, high fiber content, 23 to 27%, proteins, 37% to 40%, a rich mineral composition, especially a lot of zinc, magnesium and potassium, vitamins, folic acid salts, phthalates, and other nutrients. Pumpkin seeds have anti-inflammatory properties, especially in diseases of the prostate and urinary system. Pumpkin seeds are a good source of magnesium, and according to French studies, people with higher magnesium levels in the blood of 40% live longer and have fewer serious illnesses. Seeds have a more therapeutic effect if they are fresh and raw. And for this it is better to soak them at night and eat in the morning. Salted and fried pumpkin seeds do not have medicinal properties and nutritional value. Rich in monounsaturated fatty acids, the oil contained in pumpkin seeds has positive results in treating problems of the bladder and prostate, hyperplasia. Other benefits of pumpkin seed. Useful for heart health, the oil contained in the pumpkin seeds is comparable in composition with olive oil. High pressure. They are rich in potassium, which plays an important role in controlling blood pressure. Constipation. The concentration of fibers in the pumpkin seed is quite high, which makes daily intake an excellent tool for the prevention and treatment of constipation. Skin, hair and eyesight. Pumpkin seeds rich in vitamin E, with recognized antioxidant activity, and their daily use struggles with premature aging, not just the skin, but also the cells of the whole organism. They are also rich in vitamin A, which prevents eye diseases, especially such as macular degeneration and cataracts. Prostate is considered one of the best natural treatment methods in preventing prostate and urinary tract problems. Recipe for prostate problems: 150 grams whole pumpkin seeds, fresh, raw, uncooked. Add 1 liter of filtered water and boil for 20 minutes. Allow to cool and strain. Drink 1 glass of this water 3 times during the day. Eliminates parasites. For 1 dose of treatment, the indication is from 100 to 150 grams, children, and from 200 to 250 grams, adults, in conditions on an empty stomach. Pumpkin syrup for the treatment of asthma, cough and bronchitis. Ingredients: 60 grams of pumpkin seed, 2 tablespoons of natural honey, 200 milliliters of purified water, 20 drops of alcoholic tincture of propolis. Preparation and use: mix all ingredients in a blender until smooth. Take 1 teaspoonful 5 times a day. It can be used by children over the age of 2. But the dose should be reduced to half at the age of 2 to 7 years. Flour from pumpkin seeds from cholesterol, triglycerides, diabetes and constipation. Ingredients: pumpkin seeds. Preparation: let the seeds soak in water for several hours and rinse. Then dry at room temperature. The dried seeds should be placed in a blender and ground to a fine powder. Store flour in a jar with a lid. The recommended dose is not more than 3 tablespoons daily intake. This flour can be added to ready-made soups, salads and desserts. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.